Hi, hello, once again, welcome back everyone to a new video where we're gonna see about the top 5 MBA colleges through TANCET. So let's say you're writing TANCET 2021 and if you got some phenomenal percentile and if you're really put up in a situation to choose the top colleges in Tamil Nadu. So if that is the case, then I would list out the top 5 colleges which you can able to pick it up, and this is all about my personal opinion, so nothing to be inferred from. And before going into the video, don't forget to join us on YouTube, Unacademy CAT4MBA, and in our Telegram channel TANCET MBA, and also CAT value offering, the iconic CAT batch of 2021, where you will be given a personal mentorship and also with the top educators in India, and with very limited number of batches, you'll be given phenomenal test series and special classes, and also practice sections will also be involved with 14,000 active questions. Okay, and also if you see the iconic batch, what is the actual difference from the plus batch, where you will be given a personal coach so that your proper progress will be monitored, and it is not only for CAT, for other management entrance test as well, with expert guidelines and a proper test analysis, right? So if you see this subscription, the iconic subscription for 1 year, it's gonna be 30,000, and for 2 years it's gonna be 41,000. So this is the actual difference between the CAT plus subscription to the iconic subscription. Okay, and if you see this, here we have the beautiful testimonials of CAT 2021 who are with the flying colors actually, and don't wait until you become the next topper in 2021. Okay, and don't forget to enroll in our 18th Jan batch, where you will be given a starter weekday evening batch for 2021, and 19th Jan it is for absolute weekday morning batch, and for 22nd of Jan it's going to be for working professional. Okay, so coming back to the top 5 MBA colleges through TANCET, the first choice will be inevitably College of Engineering Guindy. Yeah, College of Engineering Guindy கேட்டிங்கன்னா absolutely the main reason is the capitation fee. So definitely the capitation fee 2 வருஷத்துக்குமே சேர்த்து it will not exceed more than 1 lakh for you. Okay, and you'll be the faculties who are handling your MBA courses are highly experienced and they have a phenomenal field knowledge in MBA, and absolutely you'll be given a phenomenal placement, and also the packages, the minimum package itself will start from 7 LPA. So it is 100% assured that if you are one among 99 percentile in TANCET, blindly go for College of Engineering Guindy. Okay, and the second important college which I would rate is PSG Institute of Management, which is located in hotspot of Coimbatore. So this happens to be second in the list. Why? Because now this have a very good salary package, and also with regards with the placement oriented, it is really doing good, and the capitation fee is also substantially low when compared with other B schools. Okay, so the second place goes for a PSG Institute of Management, and the third spot, if you see, Tyagaraja School of Management, which is located in Madurai, definitely you can go for it. If you're not getting the first two, okay, if you're not getting the first two, I would recommend you to take up Tyagaraja School of Management. Here also we have highly experienced faculties and a very decent packages when it comes to LPAs, and also you'll be put up with very fabulous career options. Okay, so definitely Tyagaraja School of Management, which is located in the ancient city of Madurai, will be the third option for me. And the fourth option, if you really want to see, it's going to be ultimately SSN School of Management, which is located in the outskirts of Chennai. In the college Portumatum, definitely you'll be having you'll be exposed to huge, humongous amount of business oriented preparations, and also when it comes to The career and placement options, it is really doing good. Okay, so the fourth place, it is for SSN School of Management, and the fifth one I would rate it as University of Madras. Definitely the ultimate reason and I'm getting here again, the capitation fee, it is absolutely low, and it is I think it is lesser than Anna University, I guess so, but it's really doing good in placements and the packages. So definitely I would suggest you go for the fifth one, that is University of Madras, if you are not getting the first four. Okay, so in the video I எதை வச்சு base பண்ணி I've listed from 1 to 5 means I've listed only based on the placements, the second is the packages, and the third is the faculties, they have how much they have the field knowledge. Okay, these are the three parameters I've taken it to list out the top MBA colleges to TANCET from 1 to 5. Okay, if you really find this video useful, kindly you can spread a word with your friends. And also for your kind information, the free weekday schedule for TANCET MBA 2021, it is happening right from Monday to Friday every day at 9 p.m, both the maths and the verbal classes. Okay, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Unacademy CAT4MBA, and also join in our Telegram channel TANCET MBA. Okay, thank you guys.